We're going to go ahead and do number 5 on the review. And so number 5 was the square root of 3 plus 2i all over the square root of 3 minus 2i. And we need to go ahead and rationalize this basically, and the way that we do that is we're going to multiply it by its conjugate. I'm going to put the conjugate in a different color. But the idea is the conjugate of the one on the bottom, which is this guy right here, is going to be root 3 plus 2i. And the only difference is this sign and this sign. Okay, so a negative and a plus, that's it, or a plus and a negative. And you've got to be careful, we don't want to change the actual value of the number, so I'm actually multiplying it by, this looks like a funky number, so I'm going to go ahead and change. I'm going to erase. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and FOIL. So root 3 times root 3 is 3. Root 3 times 2i. So root 3 times 2i is going to be a positive 2i root 3. And we got another 2i in root 3. And that's going to be a 2i root 3. And we're going to have 2i times 2i, which is a positive 4i squared. All over root 3 times root 3, which is 3. Then we have our root 3 times our 2i, which is going to be a 2i root 3. And we're going to have a negative 2i and a root 3, which is going to be a negative 2i root 3. And then we got our negative 2i and a positive 2i, which makes us a minus 4i squared. I'm going to go ahead and take this guy and I'm going to simplify it all. I got a 3. We'll leave that. The 2i and the 2i can be combined because they both share a root 3. So because the radical's in common, I can combine terms. And then what I'm going to do in this separate step is I'm going to change the I squared to negative 1. Okay. The bottom, these guys cross out, right? They cancel out. I'm going to go ahead and combine this. 3 minus 4 times negative 1. And then I'm going to go ahead and combine this stuff. And I got a 3 minus 4, so that's going to be a negative 1 plus 4i root 3. At the very bottom, I'm going to have this 3, and because of the negative 1, it's going to end up being 7 in the denominator. And there is our rationalized term. Hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you have any questions.